My video guide is about getting rid of the unwanted browser extension, which is called Bookmark Drag and Drop. Bookmark Drag and Drop is a misleading pop-up and the extension actually that is designed for Google Chrome. However, this extension is not developed by Google Chrome. This extension is extremely malicious because it tries to operate as adware. It is often spread through integration with some free applications, and in many cases users download and install this extension absolutely unintentionally. If it was mistakenly added to your Google Chrome, you should undertake the measures and get rid of it immediately. In order to remove this extension, this is what you can do, and this is what you should do, of course. Access the menu, go to More Tools, then Extensions. When you find this extension, disable and remove it completely. So this should fix your browser manually. I also recommend that you thoroughly investigate your system with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get its fresh version on the official website combocleaner.com. Download the software using this green download button, install the application, and then begin researching your device with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threads which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threads, the locations of all these threads on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threads manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.